Today I'm going to teach you how you can use tables inside of Botpress. I'm Love and I don't want this intro to take forever, so feel free to subscribe to my channel and let's hop into Botpress. So what are tables? Well, tables are essentially your Google Sheets or Excel file, but inside of Botpress. So you just have to press this button here inside of Botpress to add a table, and then you have your own table where you can add columns with different variables such as strings or booleans, etc. And then you have your own custom table within Botpress. So I have made two different scenarios where I find tables really helpful, where I use them a lot in my daily projects. So the first one is going to be like a fallback table, where if the user asks a question which goes to the fallback, the question will then go into the table where we can answer the question manually. And the second one is to get information from a table and then give it back to the user. So without further ado, let's hop into the first scenario. So here we have a really simple Q&A type chatbot where we can just ask a question, get a response from the chatbot, or we have a fallback to a fallback node. But what we are going to do now is so that we are going to store the question if the bot can't answer the question, so that we as the chatbot owner can answer the question, and if the user or just anyone in general decides to ask the same question in the future, the chatbot will look inside of the table and they can then get their information from my manual answer. So what we're going to do is that we're going to have a table which we have created by press this button, and we can come into this table and we can just select a new column, and we can name this question, and we need to create another one and we will name this answer. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to add a card here, and we're going to select the insert record, and we have to create a variable from the capture information card. So I'm just going to create the variable question, create question, and then inside of this table insert record card we can select the table that we want to store the information in, and we are going to store the workflow.question variable. So now we have essentially told the bot to insert the question if it can't find an answer, but that's only halfway there, because we also need to tell the bot that they can use the table as a knowledge base. So just press here, add knowledge base, and select table, and we press this table that we want to add and add the table. So if we were to try this, we can say hi and then ask a question, who's your CEO? And it will go to the fallback, and then we can come into this table and we can see here who's your CEO, and then we can answer here. So let's say Michael Jordan and hit save. So now we have saved the answer. So if we were to ask the question again, start conversation, and then who's your CEO, and you can see that the answer is now Michael Jordan. So here we have the perfect implementation to any chatbot that are made to answer user questions. So now we can go on to the second scenario, which I found really helpful and important to incorporate into your own chatbot. So what we're doing first is that we're adding a new table, and inside of the table we're going to add a date variable, and we're naming this one dates. And now we're just going to press R to add a record, and we're just going to select a date, so March 1st and March 3rd. And then we're adding available. So a boolean, and I will name this available, and we're just setting this to true, true, and true, and true. So these are the dates essentially when booking is available. So if this is checked, then the booking is available, so you can just book, and this is unavailable. So if I were to try this out, so I can just say a random date such as 1st of March, and you can see the bot says that the 1st of March is available. Or I can say a date which is unavailable, like the 3rd of March, and you can see that it recommends the date after. So yeah, you can basically change this up to your liking. This is just a real basic example, so feel free to change this up and be creative. I don't want to drag this video out anymore. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment them or join my Discord server and ask me there. So until next time, peace.